Just wanted to show you the rebar that I'm using for the Echinacea. It's 2 meters long, so probably about 2.5 feet of this rebar will be whacked into the soil for the Echinacea to sit on, so it ain't gonna go nowhere. And it'll look good because this is really strong 16mm rebar, so proper weighty stuff. And I've got these extras so that I can possibly cut them in half for other sculptures. More about that another time because I have a plan. Thursday the 19th of December 2019, and this is my garden, so I'm presenting this to you on a December morning. And I also wanted to show you, not my duck, but I wanted to show you my Echinacea flower. So it's now installed in the garden, and it's on 16mm rebar iron, proper strong it is, and it's holding up the Echinacea really well considering it's really heavy. So yeah, pleased with it. I'm wondering though, in the summer I might regrout the fleshy pink colour. Not completely convinced, whereas the brown area, which you can't see because it's so dark, but there you go, the brown grout, particularly on this pink area here, looks really quite stunning. So this is what my Echinacea looks like in the garden, and of course it'll look different in the summer with all the other planting growing up high around it. And if it doesn't, I'll either move it or grow some more taller flowers and plants. Okay, so there you go, circumnavigating the garden at the moment.